So these are the
You continuously do, Roshan. No need of explaining since it is already there
okay,
on
sir.
your
Okay,
video
sir.
is there. You'll watch. You continuously keep doing like how you do.
Okay, sir. So I import a file from this icon import. I click there and I select the file, and the file will comes here. And it takes it will load. Yeah, after loading, you can import here. So use navigation tool always be fly mode. So you can easily move here and there, like using the control key of A and D. A you can control right. Sorry, A you can control left, and D you can control right, and W you can move forward. Yeah. So so today I'm going to showing teach you about rendering by the existing texture. You can actually add a bunch of realistic texture uh, from D5, but today I'm not using any of this. I will teach you how to modify this texture to be more realistic, more like uh, like material. How does the material works now? Some material will gloss, some material doesn't gloss. Uh, I will teach you how to do that. Yeah. So here you have used these materials of fabric, right? So here there's a tool called the pick texture tool. You can find in the top left corner, and you can choose what texture you want to change. Just click that particular texture and go here. Uh, when you choose this properties will come automatically, and it shows it's transparent, but it's a cloth, right? So you need to choose cloth, then it will become a cloth,
Okay.
and same as another fabric cloth. And you can also edit the color, uh, uh, whatever color you want, you can edit here. In the properties manager, you can see this and click that. You can adjust the color. Whatever color you need, you can adjust. Yeah. And it should be more roughness. If you give more less roughness, it will gloss, it will shine. Uh, so I mostly do for cloth. I give more roughness.
Okay.
And what material you have used here is is that glossy material or matte finish?
I think it is matte.
Matte. Okay.
I'll share
So
you the
you
reference
choose that.
image.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, that will be good. You have done same as in the reference image.
Yes.
Okay. Both are. I think one should be glossy, one should be matte. I think behind that gray might be little glossy, and this might be full matte.
And also on the grooves on the gray panel, it's tea putty. They just are told to have that.
Yeah. So here you have material, right, for tea putty.
We can
Have you
use
given?
metallic.
No, you have given a metal finish. Huh? Okay.
Uh, yes.
So this we can give a metal finish by editing by properties. For that, you can choose metal here,
Okay.
the metal texture. So it will give exact metal finish. Yeah.
Okay.
And again, pick texture tool, and you can also once here it seems a little lighter, so you can edit accordingly. Like you can give little more darker tone and reduce little bit roughness. So another texture, matte finish always to be rough. It should be full. It should be one.
Okay.
So again, selecting the wood texture, uh, you can adjust the stretch tool to stretch the wood texture. Okay. And here you have given a uh, profile light.
Yes.
So profile light, we need the glossy texture. So go on assets, and you will find, scroll below, you will find the others texture. It shows others 11 material. There are two different others. One is 25 and one is 11. Here you can get that glossy texture, basic MSU material. When you apply that, it will glow,
Okay.
and you have to reduce the intensity.
So how much
Should
intensity
be
we can keep for profile lights?
it should be 3. I think it's a LED, right?
Yes.
Tone more than 50. It comes 3 percentage of light. So so and also after given that glossy texture, you can do changes. You can change the temperature of lighting. You can give cold color, or you can give warm color as well. Here you have not given the profile data.
Uh,
So,
yeah. There also have to be
okay.
profile light.
Yeah, but you have to give in the SketchUp like the yellow underline. Here you have never given the changes. You have to change it, do the correction in SketchUp after. Absolutely.
So we can't apply the material directly here.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. We have to do the changes before entering in SketchUp. So you have to give the dot MLCU material should be separate. You can give yellow to separate separate another material to the light material.
Okay.
And here, I think you have given a both same material. I think so. No. Okay. So when we apply more intense light, this might doesn't show up. So you can edit once again, and you can increase a little bit.
Okay.
So like that, you can edit. Hmm. Nice here.
So for tinted glass, how can we add color to the glass material?
Yeah, for tinted glass, you need editor like use that texture picking tool, and here you can edit what tinted color you can give accordingly,
Okay.
or you can find here in glass material. Here you can get a tinted glass material.
Okay.
Tinted will show up in exterior more than interior.
Okay.
So before doing render, you have to check every materials or I mean, see this fabric is not in the cloth mode, so you can see it gloss like plastic, some kind of shows up like plastic material. So you have to check all the fabric material should be fabric material template. Now it won't gloss. Or if you're not okay with this kind of fabric, you can go here and there will get more different kinds of material. You can apply that as well.
Okay.
So here we are having a leather kind of material. So no need of if leather, you don't need to give the cloth material. You can edit it here itself. Leather might be little glossy, so can reduce the roughness and show up the how does the leather material works. It gloss little bit, right? So can do accordingly. It depends on you. I mean, uh, everyone has a like sense. I mean, uh,
Yes, how the real material looks, we have
yeah,
to
yeah,
provide like that.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
Okay.
exactly.
So
Here
we
again,
have,
more.
I have
Hmm.
one doubt.
Yeah, yeah.
So we have to work, we have to open this DeFi render in SketchUp, or it can be opened separately and we can work on it. Like
You
now you
can,
have.
yeah, yeah. I mean, you can do both. You can do with the synchronization option through SketchUp, or you can import uh, directly from DeFi import the SketchUp file itself. But I suggest you to do by synchronizing. Why? Because uh, first time we usually make mistakes like might use mistakes.
Yeah,
Uh, like for example, here you have not added the what
light.
the
Yeah,
Leah light. So what will happen means if I import the file, I need to go out. I mean, I need to edit that, and I have to import from the new file.
Hmm.
So the existing file will be lost.
Hmm.
So what we edited now will be lost. Are you getting? I mean, we can't edit and import here. It
Okay,
won't
so
work.
once the model is
Because we have,
final, then we can import and do render.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Better is working in synchronize. I personally not work on synchronize. Uh, so I suggest you're starting, you're learning DeFi, right? So I'm
Yes.
suggesting you to work on synchronize.
Okay.
And each material should be conscious. Should be like this won't be like this. Will be like little glossy. So
Yes.
you select
Reduce the
the
roughness.
properties and edit glossy. I think you understood that tool selecting tool, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, I
By this
understood.
tool, you can edit the entire texture.
Okay.
Here you can, yeah. These are the basic thing in DeFi, and
Okay.
yeah,
It is very similar to V-Ray and Enscape.
exactly. But DeFi is more sub quick. I mean,
Quick
sufficient,
renders.
easy learning. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
not complicated like V-Ray.
Yeah, V-Ray is too complicated.
Yeah, V-Ray is complicated, and Enscape is easy, but the render comes like cartoon. So for comparing both, DeFi is better.
Yes. So how much time does it take to render one scene?
30 seconds for
30
2K
seconds.
resolution render. Yeah.
Okay. For Ultra HD?
Ultra HD will be one minute.
Okay.
6K and all takes 1 minute.
Okay.
In 2K itself, fine, I think. We don't need a 6K renders. 6K renders, people used to render for a banner poster, banner or like in large TV, we need 2K left resolution.
Okay. So 2K is enough for render.
Yeah, 2K is enough for render.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, light done, and
I think in
you
the
can.
ceiling there is a cove lighting.
Yeah, I will come there.
Okay.
And yeah, here you find in the middle top corner, there is a add lights tool. It shows,
Okay.
it symbolized like a bulb.
Okay.
Yeah, when you click that, there is a four different lights. One is a point light and spotlight and strip light and
Rectangle
rect
light.
light. Yeah, in some renders, uh, we need the spotlight. Uh, the I mean, this material we needed.
Yeah.
Why? Because yeah, so in some point that MSU doesn't uh, give more light when I edit the exposure.
Hmm.
Only this tool only show up. Yeah, you can see there is a light in there
Yeah.
by reflecting in the wall. So you needed this tool necessary, or are you going if you're not doing any changes with the exposure, you don't need it. You don't needed this tool. You can go with that MLC texture.
Hmm.
Yeah. So for better render, we need this tool also. This tool also,
Okay.
and we uh, we there's a shortcut key for copying. Hold the shift and move the mouse, and the material will be copied here.
Okay.
Uh, It should be 35 intensity. So here comes the core light. So here again, can here find strip light, and we can move the angle to upward
Okay.
and place it. And and here you can edit the size in location size. And also do the in profile you can edit this. I don't use this tool. I only use intensity and temperature. If needed, you can adjust this length itself.
Hmm.
I'm giving a warm tone there. So here the TV doesn't seems natural. We see the screen, but it doesn't feel natural. So there is a tool you can edit that as well. Select texture. There is an option for MSU. You can use that. Now it will be cloned as the TV.
Hmm.
And there is another option as well. Whenever you do the animation, it necessary. You can play the video, actual video on here by using that other tool and basic video material. When you give this texture now, you can import here. You can import any video that will run here.
Okay.
So after doing all texture, we come here in the effect mode. We have to do the main part here. You have to adjust the lighting and exposure, same as the Photoshop work people do now. Uh, if they want any brightness, like like that control, you can do the changes here. I don't use this tool, so the DeFi has the prepaid that exposure. I mean,
Okay.
not sorry, already they have done. So you can apply that. You don't need to edit any exposure. So you can give
Okay.
interior day.
Where can I access this option?
Yeah. Beside access tool, you can find the
Studio.
studio. Yeah. uh, Inside, you can save your own preset,
Hmm.
and you can select DeFi creator and select and double click, and it will apply. It looks more natural feel.
Just by double clicking, it will apply.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh,
So you don't need to work on exposure for hours and hours. Just once, just 5 seconds, you can change the render to a better exposure,
oh,
better lighting inside. So yeah, so it feels little darker
yes.
inside. So you can adjust accordingly. Can if you want darker tone, you can little dark. Can increase little exposure high, then Now it looks good. So we have no we have no better view to render. We need full view, right? So
Yes.
we need to do section. When you come here, you will find the add section in the top
Okay.
middle. Yeah, you click section plane and choose a wall, and you move the controller, and you can edit. While you're working on synchronize, you don't need this tool. You can basically hide a TV and do render.
Okay.
When you're okay with the view, you can add scene alt S. You can press by alt S by selecting the scene. That's it. And when you come here in the right side corner, you will find the image
Okay.
chat, and you can start rendering. You can choose the resolution and render. So the render is done. So how easy to use the DeFi, isn't it? Um, so I hope you learned DeFi. Have taught you uh, 85 percentage what it was. Uh, I hope you learned something in DeFi.
Yes, yes, I understood everything.
Yeah,
If I
yeah,
have any doubt, I'll ask you.
yeah. Yeah. And in in YouTube, there's a website for DeFi. They 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 make tutorial for beginners. So
Okay.
if you watch that, it will be more better. I think
Okay, what's
they
the
will teach
channel
you
name?
DeFi. They
Okay.
have a channel.
Okay, their
Yeah.
official
So
channel.
they will.
Okay.
Yeah. That's it. What's your name?
Sure.
Yeah, Mishra. That's it. You can learn. You can use Office system. You can. I hope Sir has given you the access for Office system. Yeah, he will ask him. He will do that and practice DeFi render. Uh, Everyone has different way of texture. You learn by. I mean, whatever I thought you was basic. Uh, but you have to uh, what you have to improve yourself by watching tutorial videos. I basically don't do more realistic. I hope you might be passionate about interior, so you can uh, s- watch tutorials and improve render more than I do.
Yes, yes, definitely.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, I'll keep practicing it.
yeah. Okay, Mr. Yeah. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Sir,
Thank you so much for teaching me.
yeah, yeah.